Oh, hey there. So guess what? An airplane just landed in our backyard. So there's that. Hey everybody, David Plummer here from Aerial Influence. Thank you so much for checking out the channel. First and foremost, just wanted to say we hope you're all being safe. We hope you're healthy and that you're staying away from other people. It's a crazy time in the world and we just wanted to extend our best wishes to you. But we've got some crazy stuff to talk about today. You know, we're in the middle of the coronavirus. Our business has kind of been different because we can't really do in-person demonstrations any longer. We've been doing a lot of stuff online, but we got an interesting request just the other day from one of our agricultural clients. Now, as you know, agriculture is deemed essential right now, along with police and fire departments. So while a drone company may not be deemed essential, we are still sort of on call for these folks because we want to make sure that they have what they need so that they can continue to perform their essential jobs. And in this case, it's agriculture, it's farming. So our client, who we're not going to name, gives us a call and he says, hey, I'm really looking for the Phantom 4 multispectral, the DJI Phantom 4 multispectral. So this is a great agricultural drone that can literally read the health of the plants from the air. So it can tell you what needs watered, what needs pesticide, can give you all sorts of different information, and it's a really powerful tool for people in the world of agriculture. So he really wanted one. He wanted one as soon as possible. He is from Wisconsin. And we said, well, look, we're not really open for business right now, so it's kind of difficult and we're a couple hours away from you. And he said, no worries. It looks like you have a big field in the back of your property there. So, I'll just fly in with my airplane. At first, we weren't really sure if he was being serious. But as time went on, we got closer to the time he said he was going to land. He had cleared it with the tower. And sure enough, there he was. Before we could even see him visually in the air, we had our Mavic 2 Enterprise Dual. We had it on, powered on, not up in the air, but we had it powered on with its map open so that we could see other airplanes in the area, because the remote control, or the drone actually, for the Mavic 2 Enterprise Dual, it can see other airplanes in the airspace and where they're at, where they're located. So it's telling the drone pilot, hey, you need to get out of the way of this manned aircraft. We could actually see exactly where our client was, when he was gonna land. And sure enough, there he was. We watched him touch down right in front of us. He landed essentially in our backyard on property owned by Aerial Influence. It was really one of the cooler work experiences I've ever had. You see this airplane flying in, and he's there to just literally pick up a drone and then fly right off. He was here for maybe 3 minutes. It kind of gives a whole new meaning to drone delivery. I know that's a big hot button issue. And while this wasn't a drone delivering something, this was someone flying in to pick up a drone and go home. Really cool experience. So cool, in fact, that we had some of the neighbors call the Sheriff's Department. The Kane County Sheriff's Department showed up. They were so nice and they were completely understanding, and we understand why people had to call the authorities. They were worried that a plane had crashed. Like we said, everything was done legally. This was on private property, and so we're sorry if we scared anyone in our immediate area. But this was completely legal. I think the one thing we didn't do that we probably should have done is call the Sheriff's Department ahead of time and just let them know that the plane was landing. We thought that the tower and the Sheriff's Department would be in contact on such a thing. So that's our fault, we know, in the near future. But in the end, everybody walked away happy. Our client got his drone. We got to see somebody land an airplane in our back 10 acres. So talk about service. We know we can do it now. So if you're somebody that has an airplane and you want to fly in sometime, hey, come on in. Just let us know ahead of time so we can let the sheriff's office know. Now, the other important thing in this is this gives us a lot of hope, actually, because we're talking about the agricultural community opening up and being accepting of drones, doing some really high-level work for them. You know, we've worked really hard to get to know our agricultural clients. And to be honest, there are a lot of people in the world of agriculture that are not crazy about drones. They don't think they're really going to be an answer long-term for the future of agriculture. They're afraid they're going to take jobs from other people, especially your traditional aerial applicators. They're afraid that these giant drones, which we also sell, are going to replace a crop dusting plane. And that's just not the case. We really feel that drones are just a tool. They are a tool for farmers. They are a tool even for traditional aerial applicators. You may be able to spray something you've never been able to spray before because your airplane is too big. But in this case, we were so happy that one of our agriculture customers was so anxious to get his hands on this drone, on the Phantom 4 multispectral, that he took the time to actually fly in so we could get him his drone. We hope and we know there are other farmers out there that are following his cue and that know the future of drones is to really be helping the agricultural community. It's not there to hurt it, it's not there to take jobs. It's there to be an additional tool. We were so happy that he flew in. Thank you. We're not going to say your name, obviously, but we were so happy you came in. Sorry that the sheriff showed up. Sorry if we scared anyone. Sorry to the sheriff's department. We didn't let you know ahead of time. We should have done that. But overall, it was a really cool day. Another step in the evolution of aerial influence. Thank you guys so much for checking us out. We're going to be doing a lot more live stuff coming up very soon with the drones, so you can actually see how they go, how they work from top to bottom, from beginning to end, whether that's planning a map and then going out and flying, or just literally going out, flying a 3D map in real time so you can see how it works. That's what we're all about. We're working hard even during this difficult time. Again, we're all thinking of you, hoping that you're doing well. We'll see you next time.